Why do you need a real estate attorney for a North Carolina residential real estate closing? Hey, my name is Ron Payne. I'm the CEO and managing partner here of Apple Payne Law in Kernersville, North Carolina, where we focus on your estate planning, probate, family law, residential real estate closings, and small business for families. Why do you need a real estate attorney to do your closing in North Carolina? One, it's highly encouraged by state law. While you could theoretically close on your own house, if a bank's involved, an attorney has to be involved. The banks can't close on their own loans. It requires a North Carolina attorney. What does that attorney do? We're going to be the safety net for you. We're going to make sure that your property is actually conveyed to you properly by performing that title search to make sure, of course, the bank doesn't want to lend you money if the property isn't going to be conveyed to you appropriately, because maybe there's something on the title where we search the history and make sure that everything is on the up and up, and make sure that the person selling you the property in fact actually owns it. Make sure that there's no tax liens on the property. Make sure that the mortgage of the prior owner is paid off in full. So that way when you purchase the property and you give them the money, everything's paid off and it's your property free and clear, except for any mortgage that you may personally put on the property. So we're here to make sure that the property transaction where you're buying or selling goes through smoothly. If you're the seller, we want to make sure that your loan is paid off, that all the encumbrances are clear, liens, etc., that there's no contractor's claims on the property. So that way, whenever you've exchanged the deed to the buyer, they also can't come back at you. So it works for the protection of the buyer to make sure that you're receiving everything you're selling. And if we're preparing the seller docs, it works to protect the seller to make sure that you receive everything you're owed before it's conveyed to the buyer. And so typically what happens is the attorney is going to receive everything and hold everything. And then once all of the requirements are met to close the transaction, then the deed will be recorded, the money will change hands, everything's sent off, and then everybody gets copies of everything at the end. As you can tell, it's very important to have an attorney involved in the closing of your home. If you ever have questions about how a North Carolina attorney can help you on your closing, or if you're a realtor and you'd love to learn more about how Apple Payne Law can help you with your closings, give us a call at 336-281-6928. That's 336-281-6928. We'd be happy to help you with your residential closings or to help teach your real estate team for the realtors about how the Apple Payne Law team can help you make a difference in your closings using our high-tech systems, Qualia, and just our general experience to help make your closing as smooth as possible. Again, my name is Ron Payne. It's been a pleasure to speak with you. If you'd like more information, you can also visit us on the web at applepaynelaw.com, or you can follow us here on YouTube, like and subscribe for more hopefully helpful YouTube tips and content. Thanks. Have a great day.